Okay, class. Today we'll be doing some music.
Gulp, 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 gulp.
Cupid Moon, what are you drinking?
I'm drinking soda.
Well, there's absolutely no drinking while we're in class.
Well, you've got me no choice but to drink all of the soda. Gulp, 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 gulp.
Cupid Moon, you don't drink all of this soda. If you do that, you are going to burp so bad.
I do not care. Gulp, 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 gulp. Oh shoot. I don't feel so good. I think I'm going to.
Cupid Moon, did you just burp in my class?
Yes, I did.
Oh my god. Cupid Moon, how dare you burp in my class? Now my classroom smells stinky. Because of you. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So Cupid Moon, why are you here today?
I burped in Jesus' classroom.
Cupid Moon, we do not burp in class. Now the classroom for Jesus Christ smells stinky because for you. Not only if you are expelled for sure. Go home right now.
Cupid Moon, I cannot believe you burped in class. That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for additional 100 months. Go to your room right now.
Wah 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 wah.